Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing the recap of May 7th. Alright, so what I do is I just go to my connection and I click on simulation, and after that I click on historical data. I'm going to go to get market data and queue the 7th download. Donc je vais rechercher le NQ le 7 mai 2025. OK. Let's see, NQ 7 May 5. No way, there is it. May 7th. May 7th right here. Okay, then you close this connection, disconnect. Disconnect, connection, playback, right? And you're gonna go market, NQ 57, connect. All right, once we have that, what you want to do is, this is, look at this box, May 7th. All right. Go to double check. You want to make sure it's May 7th, May 7th. Then we're going to click play. We want to see the candles working. They're working fine. You're going to right click. We're going to go to 9:40, 9:34, or 9:34 in the morning, which is the opening of the market. 9h34, l'ouverture du marché. Okay. All right. Now what do? I'm going to put my showing that this is the opening of the market. I'm going to make it a little thicker. Let's say 5. All right. 31, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to draw my blue box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. What do I have? I got VWAP. I've got the 250. I know I do that all the time. That's 1000, which is a 200 on the 5 minute. 5 minutes on top right. En haut à droite, c'est la 5 minutes. La 200 qui est ici. 5 fois plus sur la 1 minute. This is the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 60 minutes. So the 50 minutes, the 200 minute, the 200 EMA means the 1000 EMA here, 5 times more. 5 minutes, 1 minute. All right. We've got the 1000 EMA, and here we've got the 200 EMA. You've got the 105. This skinny blue line is actually the 21 EMA on the 5 times 21, 105. Then I've got my 50. The blue one is the 21. The 9 is the yellow one, 9. Here I got a pivot here, and underneath here I've got this prior close. You're gonna get used to it if it's the first time you show up. Don't worry about it. All these lines mean something. Helps me to enter or exit a trade. Donc, toutes ces lignes ici veulent dire quelque chose. Ça m'aide à décider pour entrer ou sortir d'une trade. Now, when I start 9:34 on May 7th, today's May 8th, right? You can see on top. But this is a recap of yesterday. I didn't have time to do it, so I'm just going to do it quickly here. So, where am I? I'm above a pivot, which is good. I'm below a 200, which means usually I'm on a downtrend. You can see the green line here, yellow-green, tells me I'm in a downtrend. If I look back, what time was that? That was 7 o'clock in the morning. We were up here. This is VWAP, the purple one, c'est la VWAP. Let's go look, back. Oh, we were all the way up here yesterday at 9 o'clock p.m. Oh, wow, okay. Today's May 7th, yep. May 7th starts here at 6 o'clock, really, until midnight, and boom. This is the direction we took. Then we've been going down since 8:04. Depuis 8h04 ce matin, on est en descente. So, just keep in the back of my head that we are going down. Okay, this is the 9, the 20, the 50, 9, 20, 50, same thing, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. Let's make this bigger and let's get started. I'm gonna move the speed at 10. Play, boom, let's start and see what happened. I'm gonna make an entry at 5 seconds after the candle closes below or above. But I'm going to be talking about what I see, why I do it, how I do it. Je vais vous dire comment je fais, pourquoi et comment. Alright, let's see. Going back up, touching the 9, touching the 20. On touche à 9, la 20. Looks like we're going down. Nope. Indecision. Look, since quite a bit we've been going sideways. Yep. Alright. So what do we have? Let me count the candles here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. This one closed above. So technically speaking, I could do an entry. My ATR is at 19.16. J'aime bien avoir un ATR de 20 et plus. This is a resistance here, right here. That's a resistance. And I've got this resistance, it's 105 here. Do I want to take a trade here? Nope. So I'm going to be patient. I'm not going to take it. If I took it, I would have got it. Si j'avais pris, j'aurais eu, mais j'ai pas pris de trade. I want to minimize my risk. Je vais minimiser mes risques le plus possible. It's okay. It's only 9:40. 9:40 in the morning. We're starting the day, so we'll have plenty of opportunities to do this, to make this work. Beaucoup d'opportunités pour que ça fonctionne, donc ça n'a pas de sens de rentrer dans une trade trop vite. Now, I look here, I got 31, I'm at 44, that's 13 points, that's enough if I can get a candle closing above. Okay, I'm gonna close here, boom. ATR 18.23 went down a little bit. I'm getting very close to the 200. La 200 est méchante. It's a dangerous one to try to... Let's see if we can... What's going to happen here? Looks like it wants to keep going down. Remember, we're in the downtrend, so going to the opposite of the downtrend is not very to be suggested. À moins qu'on soit dans un reversal, and you can see this is lower high, you know, if I could always trace a line like this, right? I don't know if it's right, but maybe even like this. Yeah, yes and no. Okay, let's see. It went all the way up here and boom, went down. What time is it? 9:49. We probably have news at that time, so around 10 o'clock. Gotta be very careful. Very volatile. Let's get rid of this line right here. Remove. This is a Ninja Trader, by the way. Okay, this is an important resistance, this one here, and we have another one here, but the wick went below there. This is a very strong candle, followed by this one, which is a strong one too. It's eating up those two before, so I think we'll keep going down. I got 21 seconds left. 11 seconds. Let's see if I go, and this, yep, it's going, the wick tells me that there's, if I enter, there's a chance that I can get filled here. What am I dealing with here? Ce que je fais ici, I've got 11 ticks, so that's 2.75 points, 2 contracts, 55 is my stop loss. My stop loss, I adjust it as I go. So 11 seconds, let's see, I would probably take it 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, yeah.
Order submitted.
I took it because
Target filled.
Close below, right here. Look, I got my 2.75 points. My TR was above 20, which is good. Look, the pink and the blue, that's the distance. That's worth $110. minus commission, I got about $105 made here so far. Ok, let's do, on va faire notre boîte bleue. Je me suis fait $105, $5 de commission environ. I took this trade because, let's explain it real quick. I entered right here. It closed right there. And that's it. The wick is all the way down here, so I thought that I would have had a good chance. I had a good chance to fulfill. J'avais une bonne chance d'aller chercher mon 2.75 points. Okay, let's keep going now. The goal is to go and get 3 trades of $100. That's it, and we shut down. Why? Because if I'm using Ripple Canto and I've got 5 accounts, 5 times 3, it's $1,500 every morning. That's enough for me for now. C'est 3 trades de $110, donc ça fait, si j'ai 5 comptes, ça me donne plus de $1,500 à tous les matins. C'est assez pour l'instant. Alright, let's go faster a little bit. What do I see here? That's a pivot, right? Pivot, you don't know if it's going to rebound or if it's going to go through. It did try to go through, but look, it's rebounds. Look at the 5 minutes here. Didn't go through. Look at the 1 hour, 15 minutes. Didn't go through. 1 hour didn't go through. But I've got 2 big candle here. So, we still don't know. On sait pas encore. Again, this is the playback for May 7th, 2025. Okay, I got the 9, the 21, the 50. We're in the downtrend, right? But it's trying to go back up. You see, we're just playing between here and here. On joue entre ça et ça ici. Let's see, what time is it? It's 9:50. 9:50, I have to do my what? My opening range. Let's see if I have what I need here. No, I don't see it. Opening range, what do? I do 2 lines like this. Double click. Line, I make this line jaune. Une fois qu'elle est jaune. Thickness, l'épaisseur 3, okay. I do the same with this one. I put it yellow. And I do thickness 3. And I take the first 15 minutes and I put it, look, 15 minutes, we started here at 9:30, 9:45, the highest candle, that was this one, the highest wick, ici. La chandelle la plus haute avec le wick le plus haut, la chandelle la plus basse avec le wick le plus bas. That's going to be this line here with the wick, the lowest wick, 9:45. So that's my range here to there. So I'm going to be waiting for a candle to go over the range or go down past the range, and usually it tells me that alright, we're going down, or alright, we're going up. Donc si on passe vers le haut, ça va, si on passe vers le haut, et on continue, ça va me dire qu'on va continuer vers le haut, et la même chose pour le bas. So let's do now a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. You see I'm closing right above. How many seconds? I got 37 seconds. But look, the 105 here is right there. This is, let's see how much space I got. 13 to 20, that's 7 points. Now I need at least 10 points to make an entry. Okay, we passed it, good news. The wick passed it, le wick l'a passé, c'est bon. Passé le 105, passé 105. Look, on the 5 minutes, look, see, we got 4 minutes left. This one, we got 4 minutes left as well. 4 minutes on the 1 hour. So right now, what would I do? Yeah, I would be willing to take it because I've got those two nice green candle power. I've got a wick that went above this. I think Let's see what happens. 5 seconds.
Order submitted.
I didn't mean
Target filled. Order submitted. Target filled. Target filled.
Yeah. I didn't mean to do that. I don't know. But guess what? I just bought for $325 of profit. But let's say I would have waited for 5 seconds here. So 5 seconds, that would be now. So I would say go by.
Order submitted.
I don't know if it's going to happen.
Target filled.
Yeah.
Target filled.
I would have made my $105, $110. Mais ici, j'en ai fait 430 parce que j'ai posé avant. These things happen when you do it live, you know. It's exactly like doing it live right here. C'est exactement comme si on le faisait live. Ici, j'ai posé un peu plus vite, donc j'ai été chercher un peu plus. Mais ce que je veux vous montrer, c'est la technique. It's not how much money I'm making here that's important. What's important is the technique. You want to master the technique. Once you master it, you'll be able to make your $300 every morning. All right, let's go back up. Une fois que vous allez maîtriser cette méthode, vous êtes capable d'aller chercher au moins $300 à tous les matins. Mais c'est pour ça que je ne suis pas ici pour vous montrer comment je peux faire des sous rapidement. Je suis ici pour vous montrer ma technique. C'est tout. Puis en même temps, je vais vous dire, ça m'aide. It's helping me when I do that with you guys. It's helping me because I'm rehearsing. Right? This is a 200 right here. I got the 50. 50 on the 5, 200 on the 1 minute. And this one is 1,000, right? That's the 200 right above. That's a 200. That's a 1,000 right here. 5 fois plus, 5 times. I got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. 5 candles. Look, 20 ATR, the 20 ATR is good. We did not close. It went up, but look, it didn't touch this one, and this is a nasty one, so you have to be careful with this one. 5 seconds. Let's keep going. On va continuer. And remember, this yellow line, this is my opening range, so I really want, what do I want to see here? What I want to see is this. I want to see a candle that goes up, closes, let's say here, goes back down, retest, in this case the 105 here, and retest the 9, and then go back up. And when I get to that height right here, I would go in. All right. C'est ça que je ferai. Donc, j'attends qu'une chandelle vienne et qu'elle pourrait surpasser la 1000 ici et qu'elle retombe, retoucher la 9 et la 105 et ensuite qu'elle reparte vers le haut. Et quand j'arrive à cette hauteur, je ferai mon entrée. Okay, let's see now. Let's play. See what happens. Hold on a sec, please. All right. That's 5 candles right there, guys. 5 chandelles. See the candle, the wick, all the way down here. What does it tell me? It tells me that next candle that closes below would like to close, even if it closes below the 50, it's better than if it closes above, really. But the idea is, because right here the dotted line is a resistance, is a support, un support. Mais vu que le wick est descendu jusqu'ici en bas, et si cette chandelle-ci ferme ici, je vais le prendre parce que j'ai une chance que j'aille chercher mes points. We are in a downtrend, right guys? Look, that line here tells me I'm going down. So if you're a downtrend, the chance that you keep going down are higher than going up. You have to wait until you are in an uptrend. Ok, on va continuer maintenant. J'ai plus de chances qu'on soit dans une downtrend à cause de la ligne jaune ici qui nous le montre, qui nous démontre. I've got 47 seconds. Sur le 47 secondes, on va descendre 7 secondes, back up. "27 seconds, 7 seconds. We're down here, right on the opening range. Look here, it closed below the 1000. This one here is VWAP, not VWAP, but it's actually my 200, the white one there. Let me put this down, you don't need that. Okay, so no entry for now. "17 seconds. Says I would like it to go above. That's very interesting. See that big wick here? It tells me it goes down. I've got this 200, which is a nasty one. I called it before. I've got a big green here. I got this almost doji. Not sure. Now I've got this big green. Do I think it's going to go up? Peut-être, maybe. But you know what? I'm not here to take any chances. I already have $430. I got lucky. So I'm not going to take any chance. Minimize your risk. Minimiser vos risques. There's enough time during the day to make your $500, whatever you want to make. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chandelles. 5 candles. See, we haven't passed the 1000 there. Elevate speed. J'augmente la vitesse de la chandelle 6 times what it is in reality. 31 seconds, 25, 19, 13 seconds. So when I see this, chances it comes back are there, but look, I got green, green, green. I got a nice green here. This one, 4 minutes, it's forming. I close right there. Green, green, I'm right there. This is my 21. That's maybe a little dangerous here. Let's see if I keep going up. Okay, I think
Order
I can
submitted.
take it.
Target
Okay,
filled.
got it.
Target filled.
Let's do a couple more, show you guys. Je vais en faire une couple d'autres juste pour vous le montrer. In reality, 5:35 I would stop for the day, right? There's no reason to keep going, so I would be done at 10:11. Started at 9:30. Let's go faster here. How do you get to be able to do what I'm doing right now? La façon que vous pouvez arriver à faire ce que je fais maintenant, c'est seulement la pratique. All it is practice. That's all it is. Nothing else. C'est juste la pratique ce que je fais, il n'y a rien d'autre. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 candles. All right. So look, the trend is now up. Remember it was down, now it's up. Okay, look, we got the 9, the 21, we got the 105, the 2, the 50. This is, we got VWAP up here. VWAP is important because usually when you're below VWAP, you're in a downtrend. Where's my 200? My 200 is right here, this one there. Okay, so let's see. On va voir ce qui va se passer. Look on your right here. The yellow is about to cross, which is good news. Big wick, long wick, it's good news. Seems like it wants to retest the opening range. Went all the way down to 105. very big candle, dangerous candle. What time is it? 10, 15, 12, 4 seconds. Let's see what happened here. If it closes above, I'll get in. If it doesn't. It didn't really, right? It closed right a little bit below. This one, if it might close above, and I'll go in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this candle closed above, I would have probably got in because I need 5 candles to have 1 candle there. But right now, it's retesting the 21. Maintenant, ça va tester à 21. Je serais entré sur la chandelle rouge ici, elle aurait fermé au-dessus de la boîte parce que je suis encore dans les 5 chandelles qui suivent avant de faire ma boîte. J'ai besoin de 5 chandelles. I need 5 candles to do my box. So far I'm going up. This is my 1000. You see how strong it is? We're right there. Boom, 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 boom. We're still at the same height. Looks like it wants to go back down now. Look at that wick of a super big candle here. Big candle back up. Wow, it's even bigger. See how it closed up? I would have taken this one, probably not, because I would have think of an exhaustion. Quand on voit une chandelle aussi grosse que ça, je serais probablement pas rentré parce qu'elle est trop grosse. Exhaustions, qu'on appelle en anglais. Donc, toute sa force est partie. And it could have opened right here. Look, I want to show you. The candle could open right there, a red one, and then go straight down. Not even giving me my 2.75 points that I want to go and get each time in order to make my $110. So I didn't take this one. It's okay. VWAP is right here. And this is my this is what here? I think it's the 200. Oh, I forget. My 1000 is there. 1000 here. Okay. 2, 4, 5 candles. I got 59 seconds left. Oh, look what it did. It went down. Risky, risky, risky. When you see a big long candle like this, be careful. Faites bien attention quand vous voyez une longue chandelle verte comme ça. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's go back in. Even if it closes above here, this is too dangerous here. I'm staying out. Trop dangereux ici, VWAP, and the 1000 here. Guys, extremely dangerous. The candle doesn't know what to do. It's too much pressure, resistance in this case. 5 candles. So what I would like to see, I'd like to see close here, go back down, and then go up. Retest, needs to retest. So you then go below VWAP, which is good. Stop here, look on the left. This one, the green one, close above VWAP. And also close above the 200, which is 1000 right here. So it's good news. Tells me that the probability that it's going to continue going up or higher. Look, the 9 cross the blue here, which is my 20. So if I were to guess, I would say, yeah, we're gonna keep going up. It's okay, it's gonna come and test a little bit here and probably most likely go back up. All right, I got 5 candles here. Maybe we got the top here. Maybe we're going back down. Let's see. Above, that's good. Not bad here. Look, 1 hour, right on there. Right at VWAP. See what's gonna happen here. Are we going back down? Looks like it. 3 seconds. This is my... I think it's my, I forget, again, 250. So it's my 50 here. Yeah, right here, the white one. Is it going to rebounce? Look in the past. It did in the past right here. Look, ça rebondit ici. Ça rebondit ici. It may just do it. So do I want to take a trade all the way down here? No, I'm in an uptrend, right? Je suis dans un uptrend. Pourquoi aller prendre une trade vers le bas pour l'instant? Je vais à l'encontre de ma stratégie. Don't go against your strategy, right? Three candles, 4 candles. Let's see here. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Check once in a while, making sure you start at a 6, you end at a 0, you start at a 1, you end at a 5. 1, 0, 5, 6. Alright, let me put this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles, 2, 4, 5. Alright, I think we're going down, my friends. Ça va vers le bas. Touches the 200 here. Let's see what happened. Past the 200, past the 105. Oh man, would I take a trade down here? I could, you know why? Because this is a big one, the big one. This wick went up already, but I would have entered here. But this is the 105 here. The wick went down. And how many points I'm from? This is 40, 35 points. I know that too close, right? I talked about that before. Yeah, on a seulement 5 points de différence ici, donc je prends pas de trade. Went down, went down. Okay, here we go. I think it's clear now that we're going down. And there's a walk at 5. I've got 5 candles. Look on your right, 5 candles. Do I need to have a resistance, support coming up? Est-ce que j'ai un support? I don't see nothing. Maybe here, over at the 15 minutes. Maybe 907. 907 is down there, so not to worry about it. 1 hour. What is that here? It's 905. 905 is down here, so I'm okay. 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a big one. Okay. To wait 5 candles. So let's see this one here where it closed. 30, 28, 20. Let's put it down. Je vais réduire la vitesse ici. 5 secondes, si elle se ferme en bas de la boîte bleue, je vais prendre une trade. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Order
Yeah.
submitted. Target
Okay,
filled.
je l'ai eu,
Target
640.
filled.
Look, distance from my pivot, 73 to 901. Oof, I got 72 points. I can get another trade right here. You see, since I took it right there and I see this happening, this is very tempting. I broke my neck a few times doing this. See, like you can take another trade. Je me suis cassé le cou une couple de fois en faisant ça. J'ai pris ma trade. I took my trade here and went there. Now I've got a new candle. Usually a second candle following this, I got a good chance that it's going to keep going down. Look at the 5. Look at this one here, the 15. The 200. Is that the 200? Look at the 1 hour. 1 hour, I'm right there. Ooh, I don't like that. What do I have here? All right, I'm saying 50. I'm supposed to take, you're supposed to pound one trade and then wait 5 candles. I'm just going to wait. Let's go back at 10, see. Oh, I would have got it, but I would have maybe suffer a little bit because it went back up here. So I would have maybe have to move my stop loss. It's probably going to go all the way down. Do I have 10 points here? 4, no. So I just missed that one. It's okay. Wow, look at that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the prior close. I think we're done here. So this one went all the way down there. This is a prior close is a strong candle, so see long wick pushing down. That's very risky, this one. See, there's a chance that it goes right back up. Back up, back up, back up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Too close. Too close to me. I'm chicken, I'm afraid. I would have got it. It would have been a good one. ATR 17. Oh, I prefer when it's near 20. All right, let's go back faster. What time is it? I mean, according to this, 10:56, 11 o'clock. Look, I made 640. Let's say the 2 trade I got lucky at the beginning. I made at least $300. My day would be done. J'ai 640, j'ai été chanceux un petit peu au début, mais après ça, j'ai été chercher au moins 3 bonnes trades. Donc, j'ai fait mon $330. Allez, ça suffit déjà 11 heures. Après, vers 11 heures, si j'ai fait mon $300, if I made my $300 by 11, you know, I'm out. I don't want to take any chances. More time you are in the market, more chance you have to lose. And look, if you look at this right here, this is the bottom of the range, right? What's going to happen now, it's going to go back up like this, I would say. Maybe all the way to this one here, maybe all the way here, and then it may continue, or it can go like this and then continue all the way here. You know what I'll do? I'm not going to take any trade, but I'm just going to fast forward real fast. Let's say at 50. I'm having a headache now. See what I said is right. So you can see it went up here, then it went down again. So if we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we could have entered here, right? We could have entered right here and get our money right here. And then what do we have? We got one, two, whoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 candles. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going into a consolidation now, consolidation. So gotta wait to see if we're gonna keep going up or if we're gonna keep going down. Hope you enjoy. Merci à tous. J'espère que vous avez bien aimé. Si vous avez des questions, laissez-les en dessous de mon vidéo et je ferai mon possible pour y répondre le plus tôt possible. So thank you very much, everyone, and have a great evening.